feels even more stuck now. Feeling very defeated on this shower pan. It just will not get in here. And it's definitely kind of numb.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it'll be fine. I think it's just gonna be a little bruised. So hard, and it's like sort of satisfying, but also not, you know?
Welcome to Busing on a Budget.
Tagging back in on the shower pan project. We had a little mishap. Initially trying to get the shower pan in, like scraped up the initial paint. The back there. Which is okay, we can touch that up. I'm gonna do a quick touch up of like just sand it down a little bit and then do the Rust Reformer spray paint on the raw metal just to keep it a little bit extra protected. So just a quick little update, and then hopefully we can get back to regularly scheduled programming of actually getting our homemade shower pan in the shower. Okay, I sprayed a little bit of this on that area. These bottom areas are now trying to get the shower pan in here a second time. We'll see how it goes. We've got bigger notches on the side there that Dan cut. We've got these support systems all taped in. Let's try it. That's not.
Just don't go down. But that's how I got it out. And it's
Okay. Not quite in yet.
Alright, now do the middle.
We're stuck.
I mean, you know, it's gotta go in, right? So.
We need to get this side down first. All the way down.
Is it on the tubing and stuff? The wood's still in place?
There is wood. This is the I mean, guys, what if we have a 2-tone forward for like,
I mean, I didn't cut it. Is that not going down all the way? Then you need to pull it forward more. That's it looks exactly the same as it did last time to me. Yeah, it's no different.
trying to crowbar this out now because the first try to getting it in didn't work. So what I've been doing is hammering. There's a little lip there. So I've been, you can see it's pretty rusty. There's definitely still a lip, so that's not great. I am trying to hammer this down and just see if we can fit this in. I'm also scraping off, this is the, what is this called? This is just basically this paint I got on the side. I'll put a caption of what the paint is. I'm scraping it off because, you know, just some bits got on there. In the application process, so honestly every 1/8 of an inch counts at this point. What she said.
That's what she said.
So satisfying though. I think I have it in a decent spot. So we're gonna do a quick spray paint, let that dry, and then gonna bring Dan back out for hopefully, I'm manifesting, we're getting this in. It's gonna happen. So we're gonna try to get this side in first. Who's here?
Oh, shit, are you okay?
Yeah, I got it out. This kind of hurt. Ouch, my fingy. Done.
Woo! Just that easy, everyone. Just that easy.
I don't want to.
Here, you wanna wine stomp it?
Have I made it anyways down?
It doesn't look like any progress has been made.
Great.
Try the other side.
What do you
Try the other way.
calling this a W?
Yeah, it's good enough, I think. I guess that's a win.
Got the shower pan in.
Woo!
Did it.
Just that easy. Yeah.
It was so hard, and it's like sort of satisfying, but also not, you know. All right, we're back to the shower project, and what's happening right now is this kind of like moves back and forth, and it's pretty stuck in there, but it doesn't quite hit the floor. I don't know if we can see that, but what I'm going to do is glue a little piece under somehow, just to stabilize it a little bit.
Next level. Next level.
And would I recommend making a homemade shower pan if I did this over again? Absolutely not. You should just spend $150 and go get it made by a local metal fabricator and just make your life easier, because at this point we've probably spent almost $150 in the amount of product that we bought to make the home. I do have some regrets about this. We got it stuck in there the other day and had to like crowbar it out, and it's just been a whole thing. So don't make your own shower pan, just spend the money on it.